Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Google, Com or the Google app and go straight to Settings. Once there, choose Manage Your Data or My Activity to reveal search logs. You do this because My Activity collects searches by product and time, making selective removal possible. Make sure you select the Google account you want to clean. If you have multiple accounts, switch now. This first step exposes the data so you can act precisely rather than deleting everything blindly. Now filter activity to target what you want removed. Use the search filter, pick a date range, or enter keywords to find entries. You can tap the three-dot menu on each item to delete individually, or choose Delete Advanced and pick a date range or all time for bulk removal. Once done, make sure to check related products. YouTube or Maps history may hold similar entries. This focused approach prevents accidental loss of other data, while clearing the specific search traces you care about. Finish by tightening controls. Toggle off web and app activity to stop future search saves, or enable auto-delete for 3/18/36 month cycles. This preserves features while limiting storage. Once you've applied deletions and settings, sign out and sign back in to verify changes. If an item still appears, clear your browser cache and cookies, then repeat the deletion in My Activity while signed in. If problems persist, check you're on the correct account or try another browser. Those steps resolve most sync and cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.